Hey, Mark. Heard you're having problems with your garage door. What is it?
It's like a big wall that goes at the end of your driveway, close to the street, but that's not important right now.
Danish?
No, German. My mother was Anglo-Saxon. Where's Chip, by the way? I asked for him.
Oh, he died. You were there.
Let me know if his condition improves at all. Take a seat.
Thanks.
Oh, hey, girl. What's new?
Well, I got my knee replaced like a year ago, but I guess that's not really new.
Have you seen the new Naked Gun movie?
No, but if you can't find it, you can make a missing movie poster about it.
Hey, John, have you seen the new Naked Gun movie?
No, but if you're missing something, you can make a missing movie poster and put it on the back of a milk carton or around the neighborhood.
Chips?
Nah, I'm not really into shows about cops and motorcycles. I need something with a little more edge, like Bluey.
I feel like there's something strange going on altogether. I feel like there's something strange going on. In this episode of The Text, we learned that the Naked Gun movie is the greatest movie of all time.
No, it's not. Happy Gilmore 2 is way better.
I never realized Mark's mom is Anglo-Saxon.
I learned that we need someone other than a middle-aged dad to write our scripts.
I don't get it.